First Alert Weather.
We've been picking up on some scattered snow showers today, mostly in the form of flurries. The low cloud coverage still with us, and we really can't shake it until we get into this weekend. We can start to move things just around a little bit with some wind, but I really don't see any major changes on the horizon. In fact, it looks to be pretty cold outside. As we take a look right now in Idaho Falls, we're at 16 degrees. Temperatures well below average for this time of the year. No wind. As we take a live look at the Pocatello Farm Bureau Skycam, not as foggy or cloudy as the Upper Valley, 22 degrees right now, and winds at 6 miles per hour. Low clouds and snow in Rexburg at 14 degrees. Jackson also been seeing some clouds and fog today with a few flurries. 15 degrees at the airport there, and winds out of the northeast at 6. On First Alert sweeping Viper radar, you can see the snow mostly to the foothills and mountains just east of the Snake River Plain or southeast. Plus also we got a band of snow right now working through the Upper Valley as you're heading into places like Fremont, Clark County. Also some spotty snow coming out towards Arco and Mackey, with a bit of some snow also right now along Highway 30 working east of I-15. We have one system after another taking a swipe at us here, courtesy of this high pressure ridge still along the west coast. And as we get through tonight and tomorrow, we're going to have more of that coming down in here from the north, and then a fairly decent sized push of snow arriving by Friday through Saturday. Here's a look at the Vipercast tonight. We got scattered snow in southeastern Idaho and western Wyoming, low accumulation amounts, and then we have the fog, low cloud cover still with us late tonight through tomorrow morning. By the afternoon here tomorrow, we do have a few pockets of light snow working over the Montana border here, getting into the Snake Highlands, and then also around the Continental Divide into western Wyoming. Wednesday into Wednesday night, we have some snow coming in here to get us for Thursday. Thursday, more of the same, more of the gray. Occasional snow drifting in here as we get to tomorrow, Thursday afternoon, with mostly cloudy conditions and a chance of some snowy weather. If we see any snow Wednesday or Thursday, the majority of which is going to be focused up towards Island Park and West Yellowstone, and everybody else will be stuck with low snowfall amounts, just like the past couple of weeks. No big storms on the horizon. There is going to be a system that sweeps in for Friday, and as this front rolls on through, we see the winds pick up out of the south. Our temperatures will increase a touch for Friday, and we have some gusty winds and some scattered snow late Friday through Saturday. Temperatures at 20 for Soda Springs tomorrow, 22 in Montpelier. We've got 24 in Preston with highs in Rexburg at 20, 19 for St. Anthony and Ashton, 20 for Jackson, and 23 in Island Park. Moving over to Jackson's 8-day forecast. Highs will be into the 20s as we get through the weekend. We get a slight bump in the numbers, but not a huge bump. Mainly cloudy, scattered snow Friday and Saturday with cold temperatures next week. Rexburg, a high of 22 for Thursday afternoon, close to 30 for Friday. We'll call it 29. Cloudy and snowy here to get a start for the weekend. Cloudy this weekend with numbers in the mid to lower 20s. And overnight lows back into the teens and single digits. Central Idaho, 27 for Chalice, 24 for Mackey. We got a low tonight around 16 in Salmon, high of 31 for tomorrow, 21 in Arco, 31 in Ketchum. In the extended forecast for Salmon, highs in the low 30s for tomorrow. We're expecting the mid 30s for Friday with some snow in the forecast in there for Friday. Cloudy Saturday and Sunday with highs in the mid-20s on Saturday, but cold air rushing down in here from the north Sunday with a high of 11 to get us started for next week. We got numbers at 28 tomorrow for Pocatello, low of 18 tonight, 9 tonight in Idaho Falls, 21 the expected high for tomorrow, and Blackfoot should be in the low 20s tomorrow afternoon under some cloud coverage and a little bit of some snow working in here at times, some body flurries for Wednesday and Thursday, and scattered snow showers in there for Friday and Saturday. Moving over to Pocatello with temperatures here at 32 for Friday, 37 for Friday. Scattered snow showers to get us in here for the weekend under the partly to mostly cloudy outlook, and dropping temperatures next week. We go from the upper 30s on Friday down to the mid-20s by the end of the 8-day. Idaho Falls, 24 for Thursday, right at freezing for Friday with a high of 32. Mid-20s for Saturday, low 20s in there for Sunday. Mainly cloudy next week with highs around 19 to 20 degrees. Eric, over to you.
All right, thanks, Mike.